Today, we'll learn how to make this in Canva. Start with a blank video canvas. Import the images that suit your project. Insert a circle by pressing C on your keyboard. Enlarge the circle and drag the objects as shown. Open the Layers tab by pressing Alternate and 1 on your keyboard and move the circle to the back. Now select the circle and change its color to no color. Then group them all together by pressing Ctrl A and then Ctrl G on your keyboard. Move the object down and keep only one in view. Add a shadow and move it to the back in the Layers tab. Go to Background Color and add a color that complements your object. You can experiment with gradients and solid colors. Now add your text in all capitals and change it to the Anton font. Enlarge the text. Move it to the back in the Layers tab. Change it to your desired color. Select the text, go to Effects and choose the Curve option. Decrease the curve to 18. Now duplicate the page. Select the grouped object and rotate it to the next one. Change your text. When you've finished optimizing, duplicate it and rotate again to get the next one and edit. I'm going to fast forward this. Also, change the background of each slide. Now duplicate and repeat. After finishing, go back to the first page and hover between two pages. Click Transition and set it to Match and Move. Click the option at the bottom to apply it between all pages. Select the background of any page and change the timing. Now our video is done and this is what it looks like.